There's your bird. There's this cone structure, like a bit like your shard that they've got at the church, with a cross in it. That's supposed to be at the church. I'm going to take you to the church and show you the actual thing in a minute. Raven's head. There's your tree. There's your bird. Look at the posts, they look a bit Masonic as well, don't they? So you get special signs around here. We're not fucking around when it's bird territory. Here's your local church. That's the church centre. That's the church. See what it says on here. Glasses up. St. Peter's Millennium Cross for the people of Ravenshead, designed by Kate Richards, engineering manager Keith Riley, inaugurated by James Lonergan, chairman of the Parish Council, dedicated to Reverend Jeff Spedding, vicar of St. Peter's, 17th December 2000. So it was a millennial. So why is it that shape? You know? What the fuck is that all about? And why is it on the sign for Ravenshead?